Hey friends, here on Learning Christmas Lighting. A quick video here. I want to talk about the rest of 2019 and 2020. Since I started Learning Christmas Lighting earlier this year, I've been really excited to see folks, joining up here on YouTube and watching the videos, engaging, checking out the free guide I've got at learnchristmaslighting.com, and checking out the emails that I'm starting to send every month with what's new. And I've had a lot of fun writing a lot of articles. Now, the question has been this whole time, and I asked the folks who get the emails a couple weeks ago, when am I going to offer more stuff? Because I've got people asking for more help, more in-depth resources, and I really want to provide that stuff to you. But it's not going to be for the 2019 season. I've got a lot on my plate right now. Mostly, when I started this, I didn't realize that I would be having a baby on January 1st. But guess what? My wife is, and so therefore I am. The baby's not inside me, but guess what? I got to care for it. And so we're busy preparing for that. A course and additional in-depth info and service where you can connect with me more deeply, and I can help you even more with your display is not going to happen in 2019. But for 2020, we're certainly going to be there, definitely early for the season. So be on the lookout for that. If you haven't already, check out my free guide over on Learning Christmas Lighting. It's the things that I wish I knew before I built my first display. Yours free. Be sure to download it. I wish I could be of more help to those guys who are starting out with pixels this year or even doing your first Christmas light display this year. But if you can hold off till next year, I promise the stuff I'm going to be coming out with is going to help you a lot. And there's going to be more here too on YouTube this year through the rest of 2019. I'm not stopping by any means. I'm just not creating any more in-depth content either. So thank you guys for watching, for subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.